Stop, stop, stop. Hey, Sana, wait. Don't start the podcast yet. I need to tell you something.
Oh no, what now, Ali? Did you forget your lines again?
Grinning. Lines? What lines? This is real life, my friend. No script, no pressure, just English we actually use every single day.
Smiling. You mean like, where's my coffee? And I'm late again?
Exactly. That's the real English people use. Not, I am going to the market to purchase some vegetables. Who says that?
Yeah. People just say, I'm going grocery shopping. Simple and natural.
That's right. So, if you're listening right now, stop worrying about big grammar books. Let's talk like real people today.
Real talk only. Let's go.
Okay, Sana, what's the first thing you say when you wake up in the morning?
Usually, 5 more minutes, please.
That's everyone's line. But seriously, what do you do next?
I grab my phone. Not proud of it, but that's the truth.
Mock serious. Ladies and gentlemen, the first mistake of every human being, checking their phone before brushing their teeth.
Guilty as charged. But I do brush right after that, promise.
And what's the next phrase people can use in that situation?
Oh, I'm so sleepy, or I didn't sleep well. People say that a lot in the morning.
Yep. Or I need coffee. That's my favorite English sentence ever.
Same. Okay, Ali. Now imagine someone asking, hey, how was your night? What's a natural reply?
It was okay, or I couldn't sleep. Simple and natural.
Great. So listeners, repeat with us.
I couldn't sleep last night.
Perfect pronunciation. Okay, Ali, let's say you walk into a coffee shop. What do you say?
Easy. Hey, can I get a medium latte, please?
Nice and polite, and not give me coffee.
Yeah, please always use can I get. It sounds friendly.
You can also say, could I have? Or I'd like a. All polite ways to order.
True. And when the barista says, for here or to go, what do you say?
To go, please, if you're taking it with you.
That's real life English right there. Short, simple, useful.
Now, small talk. The scariest part for English learners.
Oh, yeah. Everyone panics when someone says, so, how's it going?
Yes, they freeze, but it's easy. Just say, good, thanks. How about you?
That's it. You don't need a speech.
Exactly. And here's another one. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Classic. Or, it's been so hot lately. Simple phrases, but they open conversations.
Let's give a few examples for our listeners.
1. Hey, how are you doing today?
2. Pretty good. How about you?
3. Can't complain. 4. What have you been up to? 5. Not much, just the usual.
That's a perfect mini conversation.
Okay, Sana, you're at a store. What's a phrase you often use?
Excuse me, how much is this?
Basic but useful.
Or, do you have this in a smaller size?
Or, can I try this on if you're buying clothes?
Nice. And when you're paying, can I pay by card? Or, do you take cash?
I love this part because it's the kind of English everyone uses, but nobody teaches.
That's why we're here.
Okay, Sana, let's talk emotions. How do you express when you're sad?
I'd say, I feel down today, or I'm not in the mood.
Great. And for happiness?
I'm so excited, or I'm in a good mood today.
Oh, and one of my favorites? I'm feeling grateful.
That's beautiful. Smile softly. Sometimes we forget how powerful simple words can be.
Yeah, because English isn't just grammar. It's emotion. It's connection.
That's deep, but true.
All right, Sana, let's pretend we're telling someone about our day.
Okay. I woke up early, made some coffee, and went to work.
Work was busy, but I got a lot done.
I met a friend after work.
We had dinner together. It was nice.
So, listeners, that's how you can talk about your day using simple sentences.
Before we wrap up, Sana, a lot of people say they understand English, but they can't speak it.
Yes, that's super common. And the solution is simple. Practice small every day.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Just speak, even with mistakes.
And speak out loud. Repeat what you hear in movies or podcasts.
And my favorite trick? Talk to yourself in English when no one's around.
I do that all the time.
It works.
So, listeners, let's end with this. English isn't about being perfect, it's about being confident.
Every time you speak, you improve. Every small step counts.
And remember, speak from your heart. Words will follow.
Beautifully said, Sana.
Thank you, teacher.
Hey, we're all learning. That's the fun part.
See you in the next episode, everyone. And keep speaking English every day.
Bye for now.